And welcome back to our Blender car modeling tutorial. Um, Last video we worked on the back. I think on this video I'm going to be just putting in. I'm going to try really quickly just to throw in some placeholder for the headlights or the headlamps. Let's see. I'm just going to hide this stuff right there. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Helps me out, helps the channel out a lot. But let's get back to it. Let's see. Okay, I've just made a plane and I'm going to rotate it. Press R, press X, and then rotate it 90. I guess that didn't work. Rotate X 90. No, that didn't work. Rotate Y 90. No, that did not work either. Okay. Worked in what do you call it? Object mode. Anyway, so let's see. We want to move it into position. Grab this edge, move it over. Move that back. All right, so make a cut right here. Move this forward. Move that up. Move this down. Move that. Let's slide this over and move this over again. Hopefully that lines up. That just looks horrible in the top view. Yeah. Okay, so let's move that back. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I need to pick a view and just stick with it. Windows. Yeah. I hate when this happens. It just sucks. It really sucks. It just doesn't match. Okay. Okay. Can't stand when that happens. Whoops, let's rotate. Let's use the knife tool. You don't have to do it this way. You could just move this over, but I think I have something good there. Delete face. I guess that didn't work because that was not a good way to do it because I still have to move that over. Let's move that forward. All right, that lines up. Let's do that again, even though it was not a good, didn't necessarily work, but switch the face, delete this face. All right, I think that looks decent right there. So let's extrude this down. Move that down like so. Let's move that over. Move that over there. All right, so let's go into the GG, just to slide that. Let's just move it. Whatever. No, that didn't work. Let's do another cut. I mean, you don't have to. Again, I just keep saying that. Saying this. You don't have to do it this way. Let's make a cut here. You don't have to do it this way. Sometimes, at least for me, when I do it this way, I can get this method, and I'm not even sure what you would call it. Sometimes when I do things this way, I can get to where I want to, where I need to be faster, just by making cuts. So as you can see, I just made the shape that I was looking for. I wouldn't necessarily say that was, it's a little successful. I wouldn't necessarily say it was really successful. Let's move that forward. Let's move that inward. Okay, let me do a quick time check. All right. Make a cut here in the center. Move that over. Move it over again. Let's move these two over. Move them over again. And again, I'll say it again, this is just a placeholder. Just to have something here. Let's move this forward. All right, let's put a I think I screwed this up a little. Well, I messed it up, but let's see. You know what? Let's just do it. Let's put a mirror modifier in. Center. All right, so I think it's Shift C. Okay, I have the screencasting on. Shift C, so I have this headlamp, and you know what? Let's name this headlamp, or headlamps. I have it selected, so let's go over to I can't remember. All right, so I'm in object mode, and let's see, mirror, what is it? Set origin to 3D cursor. So the center of this object is now the 3D cursor. First I centered the 3D cursor, and then I set the origin to the 3D cursor, and now I'm going to press the mirror, and so now it mirrors correctly. All right, so that's there. I'm going to want to put a subdivision modifier on there. This is video 21. All right, that doesn't look too good, but let's make a cut down here. Yeah, that doesn't look good. But like I said, it's just a placeholder, I guess you can say. Let's make a cut here. Yeah, it's just a placeholder. All right, so that's the front. It's not great. It needs actually needs like a lot of work. But anyway, I had these hidden. Let's see, windows. Let's see. Let's change this to lights, headlamps. Okay, so I have those bad headlamps in. Let's do a quick time check. 20 minutes just to do that. Let's see. Yeah, see, now it's starting to look like a car. I'm working on this for over, what, 20 plus videos? Alright, so try to finish this in let's try to finish this in the next 20-30 minutes. Alright, so
hey everyone, this is the brand new Audi sedan. This is the facelift model.
Facelift model, I don't even know what that means. Alright, so I resorted to video references. I'm not really sure about these there's like no hard edges, so it's really hard to tell the form of the vehicle. I'm gonna hide. Let's see. Let's hide this and select the headlamps and have that centered. Let's add a plane. Let's see, rotate X 90 degrees. Hopefully that, there we go. Let's go to the rear view. And let's just start with a basic shape. It looks like, you know, it's like a rectangle on an angle. I mean a square or whatever. Yeah, like a rectangle on an arrow. On an, excuse me, on an angle. The bottom is angled. So let's move this over here like that. Move this down. Whoops. Move that up. That is the select the whole thing and move it back into place. Let's move it right there. Now I'm looking at the rear view now. So to get the rear view, what did I hold? I think it was Control 1. Usually on 1, if you press 1 on the number pad, if you have a number pad, you'll go to the front view. If you hold Control, you'll go to the rear. Anyway, let's go to the side view. All right, that kind of lines up in the side view. Let's go back to the rear view. I'm gonna grab the back, go to the side view. Okay. And move it forward. Grab the front and just move it. All right. All right, so let's go back to the let's grab that side right there and geez, I don't know, move it like right there. Squish that in, move that up. Okay, so let's unhide. Let's bring that back. Let's grab this and move it back. I guess move that forward. Slide this over. Let's just, you know, check it out in the different views, make sure it lines up well. It's not great. Let's make a cut here. And move this, you know, try to maneuver it into position, to some decent position. know, let's try to line it up here. I'm not sure if that actually sticks out. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Let's make a cut here. Whoops. I think what I want to do is I want to have these like have it even like that. Again, like I said, this is just really supposed to be like a placeholder. I shouldn't be wasting that much time with this. Let's make a cut in the center here. Oh, why did I do that? I don't necessarily think I needed to do that. Let's see. All right, well, I could define this more better. Looks like we need another cut here. Move that forward. move that back. Do a quick time check. Like I said, I keep saying I don't want to spend too much time. That's two subdivisions. That's two subdivisions. Don't want to waste too much time because, like I said, this is just a placeholder. All right, let's push. Anyway, let's select the border, extrude it. Whoops. Move that in. We're going to get rid of this in the future. This is just a placeholder. Okay, so let's make a cut here. Make another cut here. Again, just a placeholder. Yeah, that doesn't look too good. Let's see. Can't see what I'm doing. Let's see. Whatever. Oh, that's the mirror. Okay. I was wondering why that wasn't working. I was I was toggling the mirror. I don't know why that's so what do you call it, pixelated. Get this shape. indicator. No, it might be because let me try to recalculate the normals. Yeah, that's why. There you go. I think it was like kind of inside out, if that makes any sense. It may not make any sense. But, all right, so I mean, that's not great. Like I said, it's a placeholder. I just wanted to throw those in real quick. What is that? Why is that there? All right, let's get rid of this. It's there for some reason. Let me save that real quick. Delete. Okay, so we have some basic headlamps in. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those in the future. Let me do a quick time check. It's about 40 minutes. Let me try to fix. Alright, that doesn't look good. Let's try to fix this right there. Alright, that didn't help. It's not that much. Let's move this outward a little bit. Let's hide the headlamps that we just put in. All right, so this right here does not look good. Or maybe it does, I don't know. What am I looking at? All right, so right there, that doesn't look good. So let's move that in. Select these, move those inward. Let's slide these over, see if that helps. I'm going to try to make these as even as possible. Even these out. I can't tell if that's... I guess that's the headlamp. Alright, so... Tools. If you don't have loop tools selected, just go to the add-ons, and loop tools are already in Blender. You just have to enable it. Enable the... Let me go there real quick. I'm not sure if I should. Go here, type in loop tools, enable that. Go down here, and what we want to do, select these vertices here and press space. So that should space out these vertices evenly. Space those. I don't know if that's... I guess that kind of worked out good. Okay. Yeah, I guess let's try to make this an hour. That's what I've kind of been doing that lately, trying to make these videos an hour. So, you know, each time, you know, each video I'm making, you know, we're making at least, you know, an hour's progress. And I'll just see how that goes for a while. All right, let's move these over. Okay, I think that looks, I mean, I don't know, it looks better. Look how smooth and crisp that looks. I'm gonna make a cut here, and the only reason why I did that is so the polygon, look at that. When I make this cut here, it would stop instead of it wrapping all the way around. All right, so we see how we have that edge right there. Let's dissolve these edges right there. Get rid of those. We're gonna have to, you know, obviously later on we'll have to fix that. But that's looking good. That's looking decent. That right there. That's bad. Let's go to the top view. Select these. Let's move that forward. Move these backwards, maybe. Let's see how that looks. Let's see that. That lines up a little bit better. All right, see, that does not look good right there. Let's grab this and move that. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea what I'm actually doing, moving each individual vertice or polygon. Not a good idea because it gets wrinkled and stuff like that. But I don't care, as you can see, as you can probably tell. I'll fix it in post-production. All right, so let's add an edge right there. This is just a placeholder edge because I want to have this like I want to have a hard line right there, and later on I'll just, you know, fix that. But we made a little progress. We made a little progress in this video. Let me save this. Do a quick time check. 46 minutes. I think that I'll call that a video. You know what? Let me see something real quick. You know what? I could probably fix this in 15 minutes. Let's oh, that doesn't look good. Let's fix something. Let's try to make this an hour video. All right, so I left this in the other video. I just skipped this. This is not right, as you can see. I skipped it because I wasn't sure how to fix this or to make this shape right here. And I was just thinking about it the past few days, and I think, let's see, what I can do is let's take this edge, I think it's D or Control D or Shift D. All right, Shift D, duplicate it, and let's line this up. All right, so we have that lined up there. Grab this edge, move it over. Let's see. Okay. Move that over like that. Move this back. And slide this over. So let me move this over a little bit more. All right, so move that over like that, because we want to have we want to try to get this shape. Yeah, I mean, if you remember in that video, I wasn't really sure. That's why I skipped it. I wasn't really sure how to get this shape. But basically what I'm doing, or what I'm trying to do, is I'm getting the shape first on a flat surface, and then I'm going to extrude, and I believe that works. That will allow us, see, I think that's the shape that we're trying to get, that we're going for. So I think that's it. Do a quick time check. We have 10 minutes left. I think we could do it. move this over. Yeah, so I think that's it. So we have the shape in a two-dimensional or one-dimensional way, and or view or whatever, and we just have to extrude that. So that's extruded. Let's select this and move it. So I guess like the center, and scale that up. I think we want to have this this center part, scale that down. It seems to be sort of thin or whatnot. Okay. Quick time check. 7 more minutes. Can I do it? Can we do it? I think that's it. Let's get rid of this face in the back. Delete that. All right, let's make a cut here. Slide that over. I think that's a bit too harsh. Let's make a cut there, leave that in the center, make another cut and move that over like that. All right, that's good, I think. Let's make a cut here, move that up, make another cut, move that down. I mean, I think that's a little too harsh, but all right, let's bevel this. Let's change this bevel amount to 0.1. See how that looks. 0.5. All right, I guess that's decent. All right, yeah, that actually looks good. Wow. Do a quick time check. All right, that's almost an hour. The hour I was trying to stick to. All right, so select that and delete those faces. Hopefully I didn't delete something I needed. All right, so that's deleted, and click that. Excuse me, put a edge there, and let's move that back right there. You know what? Let's not move that back right there. All right, let's select that. Let's go to the front view and GG. No, that's not going to do it. You don't necessarily have to do it. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Select these and just move those forward like that. Select that. Okay, select those edges right there, and let's move these back a bit like that. Almost finished. Let's put another cut and make it like a hard edge in the back right there. That's actually beautiful. That looks kind of better. Well, anyway, let's see, 3 more minutes. I think that looks good right there. That actually kind of looks good. Oh, you know what? We have to, what, 2-3 more minutes? Almost forgot. There's two of these guys right there. So let's move that over. No, never mind. Duplicate this and move that up, and we should be done. It did look like it was missing something. You know what? I do have to go. I probably have to go back and adjust these because it's not matching, which I guess makes sense. Yeah. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot, believe it or not. And it, you know, helps motivate me to do more of these videos. Let's see. But that's pretty much it. Leave your comments below, hit that like button, share these videos, and I'll check you guys out next video. Take care.